Hey guys, I just wanted to do a really quick tutorial on Unity's UGUI system. I'm not going to tell you the whole thing, it's just this little part of it. But I feel like it's super intimidating if you don't know anything, and knowing just these, few things will at least give you some confidence and allow you to start tinkering with it. So what we're going to do is really simple. We're just going to create a button that when you click it, it changes some text. Super simple, but it'll teach you some things. So we're going to create UI button. Now you notice it created a canvas. The canvas is basically your reference for whatever is going to appear in that UI system. So as you can see, this button right now for some reason is off screen. It's not in the canvas up here, so it's not showing up on our screen. But if let's see if I can move it. I made it bigger and moved it. Now you see it. And wherever it is on the canvas up here is where it is on the screen. So that's cool. Now that's just because the canvas is a screen space overlay. If it was a world space camera or canvas, I could move this canvas in the world and it would be like the panel on a computer screen in the game world. But right now we're just going to leave it like this. Okay, so we got a button. Now we need some text. So UI.text. Let's change the color on this to red. And let's make it a best fit so it's a little bit bigger and you can see it showing up here. That's fine. Okay, so now what we're going to do is create a script. Now the script could be on any game object in the world, but we're just going to put it on the canvas just because. And let's call it change text. It's a C# script. So we've created it, we've added it, and now let's open it in MonoDevelop. Okay, so first thing we want to do is create a reference to this text UI object. So we're going to say public text. Whoop. So the reason that's not working is because we first need to go using Unity Engine .ui, and that's going to allow us to access certain other data types such as text. And we can just call this text object txt. So this allows us to use all the UI kind of data types such as text. So now we don't need any of this stuff. And we'll create a public function called change text. And we'll say txt.text equals text has been changed, which is just awesome. Okay, so that's our script. Now, save that. Change text. Members cannot be the same as their enclosing type. What? Oh, I named the function the same as the class. That's really funny. Change the text. How about that? Boom. Okay, so change the text. And now it's waiting for our text object, so we're just going to drag the UGUI text object onto that. Boom. So now we're all set up here. Now we need to make the button actually call the function change the text. So we're going to click the button, and you'll see right here it says on click, press the plus button. Runtime only, that's just if you want it to run in the editor or in runtime only. If I ran in the editor and I clicked the button, it would run the function. Runtime only is only when you're pressing play or in a build. Anyways, we'll just say runtime only, it doesn't matter. And which object are we referencing that has the script? It's this canvas object, so we're going to drag that on. Boom. And now it's going to allow me to reference every single bit of functionality or variables on this canvas object that I drag in here. So we're going to go to our change text script and we'll see our change the text function. So boom, click that. And now we are golden. When I click that button, it's going to call the change the text function on our change text script, which is on our canvas. And it should work. Let's find out. Press play. All right, I'm going to click it. The text has been changed. How exciting. Let's maximize that for maximum awesomeness. But now that text is too small, so let's crank it up. So what we're going to do actually is click this, and you can do hold Alt, and you can now, this will stretch it. So we're going to stretch it over the entire scene, and we're going to center it, and yeah, okay. So now it's going to be impressive. Click the button. Uh-oh, did I break it? Oh, I'm stupid. My my text UI element has covered up this because I made it too big. So maybe we're not going to do that. I'm just going to squeeze you down a little bit. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, so you're not covered. Because basically I was trying to click the button, but it was behind this giant text object. So obviously that wasn't going to work. All right, now, yay, the text has been changed. Anyways, so that is how you do a few things in UGUI. Hopefully that makes you a little bit more confident about messing around with it. This event system, if you're wondering what that is, that's just about handling different types of input. So if you had this on there, you could touch the buttons while on a mobile device. Yeah, but this kind of functionality of just making a script, having a function or a variable, and being able to touch buttons and have it do stuff, that's really the main thing that'll get you started. So hopefully that helped, and good luck. Bye.